Dear no one for data bank anye. Dear no man fa Gabby assaulted darko law firm anye ewo man we mu. Dear na Kofi Asante Bediatuo any abusua no Osafo Marfo any ayonko dear no man fa anye o manfo. Mo kwati we bi te say Professor Aremeyaw Anas. Mo so we disika. Abeya sky train we disika beboa.
Yeah.
Ne akokra o kobe say 80 something ne ache no. Na emnanti o mudi sika ne de o muda so nam ho. Eti mo ye den mo ye yi mu ana mo ye den. We get wiser by the day because of this phone. Full way money power in FDB and no blame.
Akobane say the former finance minister
Ken Ofori Atta ne bone no. Yes ye enumerate ne sese ya me no ti he ya. Eburu otwe hu. Because sika bia oni na wia. No makocha di. Sika bia to the extent say PDS ya no ono na ye the final or do put to the final nail in the coffin. He did that. Enti certainly general ejai na nyuma ni bi wo ho. No start say oni OSP no mo twiman so a. I don't get it. I can't get it. I don't mean what expression I should give because it's appearing say we would rather want to fight amongst ourselves than to fight the opponent, the enemy of the state. It doesn't make sense. It does not make sense. But what Attorney General did not able to also filing suit to say the OSP need right so but you see these people we must get them cautioned. They are not lost unto themselves. Now no Akufo Addo appoint him no or making sure say Obama your friend is OSP authority and the laws are there. Yeah, but you don't have to go to law school to understand the law because me say the only thing I should be minded of or about say ignorance of the law is no excuse. So you don't have to be a lawyer to say man call law school to not mean say a crime. It is still a crime when you don't even know. So I read and I understand. It is Attorney General to make court say onu kwa kwa hwe dentia your friend is saying OSP na it is a what Ken Ofori Atta say na to ho abutre kanum ne where you go for 42 omo and confo ete boni America for dia di ani abofo dia di o ma we mu ye o ma wia ye god ahodo de akọ na obi timi kwa wia o mo ka ba ku mienu bi na o de bagan na ha na wotimi akoti satawale na wotimi akoti how does that make sense? Obi a we o ma sika ene satawale a wotimi akọ wia broni ka na say obi akọ wia broni ka beto ama no ana say abutire ka oni na mi ba bi. How does that make sense?
Until the AG are filing to the Supreme Court or say OSP power to prosecute without Attorney General's authorization unconstitutional.
It is not. Read me ba be chewa there. Hwe eya no mo person mo dey argue di agro. But you see school no yan yakono what we were taught from the very scratch and they say it's not just about the reading but the understanding. Bible swaka we say getting wisdom is important but in order get the understanding. Kase yen na yatimam na wo ya Attorney General na wo say we dey kokko to say ase we hu here we dey ase we hu here. Give them authority. You have to just give them the authority. That is all that you have to do and you are instructed by the constitution to give them the authority. Yandi report you feel with some minima dia wonne your friend say he said Gabby omo wo say dia na omo yo say bibi na asio any o man pani sit up na make no eno ka ho it's not about Akufo. So you can sit them down and tell them that hey man I want this direction and if you don't turn this direction I will sack both of you.
Mamema Listo nana kusi poku ne poku okumkom akwaba na fe yentu ankomodie nso nana akwaba
enya
na mpom ti say
yehu ane mehefo
shiri nya Maybe I'll be back there. And then got traffic in the
say Benefo say say when a boy Bob Cool of blessed memory.
Yes.
Akwana or boss say a full ponko did me and kwasi asem kwan no die no. Ono an sa born you be say fie ya enka banka badamensa. Tiase.
If you nye.
And I call on the president to set up. And yes, I now buy no a big guntem.
NDC.
Yes.
Abayi. So my penny John Dramani Mama when 29 years we be guntem.
Set it up now buy no a big good before your bedroom say abayi anyway.
I didn't know what can say.
Me jana ma mienu so. Amen fa kunya we so na ahombrase mmenchi a atiefo ne ahwefo. Se me ba studio na munya na so se me ba mami hu na me nyanu ha the way empanifo bi frame me phone so said ye sebi makoje parel for ti me da ahombrase pacho se
yaso
me hwe na mayo na yesu fodo so aye ni nyina me chew bibia
so
pani ba ko dem say ne bo afukurama so say me mpake ka akura na me fa moto say me hwe na traffic achimia me so moto yi misro enti dedi kan abai we ye Ghana fo nyina ni da so da bia me de me ho ye mfato ho say me nyi MDC card da me first time NDC me timi share ni t-shirt etimi di pie ye sane ye timu ya Mahama ben
2024
yes
okay
na me share NDC t-shirt da me dwen say NDC ye enamo ayenwe nti se me de me se pa be che de ensi da and so yesi swai nyokun na penifo se wodo wano so dongra ebi nwo na isan se otofu bi betena yen so na oye ne ho kanka bi chim ni pansagu na chi ya sumu da ho no mo boye yem ma ni pedi emia Saminka sebi ordinary Ghanaians kra semwa na me de mampani John Mahama na nkasa kra na semu bu sani ani
ye fato ho
sani emu si di nani wo my we mu as a former president to the extent say you say of all Nyama John Mahama benye wo Ghana hanyina sebi ye nya kro no bobia fanju so no say basa nunya edi company anim ba Ghana ban ho be making sure say Ghana beto airplane I friend Airbus enye Airbus ni sika edi ko tuama company no ene yesi do Mahama abomu kro no no omususu say nunya ne commission na ono ye businessman na wadi ade animu ame me ye marketer na me meje me commission said na me ye Samsung for adverta omuna epia me commission Samsung na me dia I only take commission from the work done it is a me ko ba mo advert e wo XYZ na se ye koto ni o ma na e fa so da so no me ati ni bi na dia ma na apuku anya me dia yes say sika no e ye $5 million yesusu say John Mahama ni nua no akoche sika na dinti no ye hwehwe ne nsemu wo mo de me koma OSP say owura ye friend say Matiamidu
yeah
wo hwehwe nsemu ni mu fiko ne say ehon tan sabo John Mahama ye fani ko gina emranu ni mu na asem ye fani ko tu afiase
Oy.
Yes. That is what they planned of John Mahama. Prior to that, baby, I know your man Penia what baby, vice president, or baby, man Penia was so for what's now. Omutumo right after say aba abemu impo omoni mpanifo akosi konya ya mpanifo akuku dam te say krobia yefi asante kotoko hin bo bia mamuso edina no atumbi say sebi say o mani mbadwunti mu de mama ntena ho a omutumo de Osafo mafokotena ho
wow
the omudi ye MPP di ye Ghana for no
vice president dan no
yes
Osafo mafo
they say ejenja ma John Mahama because he is entitled to a building that or mine no the bamano it's yamfa sa Japade ne mma no aya de adanase
and some command be before
o mama no enti John Mahama na say aye di buoyan wo hwe ya no chin home no kana asem o kana kosem say all ko han dan John Mahama. That is how John Mahama was sincere and candid to his soul as a servant leader or kono sebi na on wi a o maisika na kasi we wi a maisika say was say ko mansions and try to table no so we see what to hotels in Dubai ni na o kan o buy evidence of which no wu ba ko everyone can for one day John Mahama just to mention but a few. Shadi omudi ya Ghana for say yade aba. The worst case scenario is no crowd there. Would say yade aba COVID aba. Obi aho say bi aho kwa huhiem say bi enuma kese kura egu na temamuni say bi okontokro say omani say bi tiwiase say wono masitinem yare two things. Infrastructure and system. You can't build a system without infrastructure. I don't know FSHS not failing.
Okay.
Because they are forcing themselves to build a system where there is no infrastructure. That is why it has failed. So as Minister of Education, no making sure say double track you be here for no enya no no ye and confua say bi John Mahama nyansani wa ma post as education minister and wa ma obi so scholarship secretariat ni nyansani wo na dia wo supervising minister but say juma no obi adi nkui every one of them is an authority obi adi nkui they only may report or account to their services or stewardship to you or through you to the president. You are answerable to the president. They are point all him and I get fan and then and I project why you say and then
free SHS
and if we so would the amount now by now was saying double track the government must sit up at the teaching wa Ghana for Gina so ya to Obama John Mahama and me NDC because NDC atare no me only reason I need to because NDC atare is to make sure say John Mahama or better LPP for konfo atutuboton for balawa maboye for na gum
and for my real man
yes me ba na oni di achi me no nya aduro ba kokura so person ka so obi ya konfo etu di na kokoto a and obi be wiawo onioma wo ba mu a twen and for police meeting when you confront my any na some court na court to pronounce say we conference and watching that is the logic now we expansion
yes
that is the meaning when you confront until say another prove so you confront
okay
that is the law. Lawyers always quote one side of the law and think say you are not guilty until proven guilty. You are guilty until you defend yourself not to be guilty also. That is the law. That is the perspective of the law. And that's how I come for lawyer. Me a court now say, prove me guilty. Without a lawyer, why do you do defense? Why do you file defense? You file defense to make sure say you are not guilty until you are pronounced or until you are guilty.
Yeah.
So there are two sides of the coin at all times. It is only criminals who side with only one side of the coin.
say the onus lies on government. The onus also lies on the one who is being accused of the crime.
Who can say your crowd because all fighters are on Magana Hana?
And you know Wabokro. Oh my God, I know a motto for a tata to say beyond the branches.
Okay.
But the only reason why I can go for that will be a name so I from 4 is because my brother no a complicit.
President.
Yes, that is why so be use Akufo Addo ni John Mahama na no match put photo. They are able to even still go attacking John Mahama's personality. Because why would you even want to have that scenario play on the minds of the Ghanaians and say everything is rosy? It is not rosy. Adi Akufo Addo di ya man we no a crime against humanity.
The pictures are the president John Dramani Mahama,
yes,
the former president, and yes, Ghana for being there.
Share kokai, dear was here. The attack on the personality of John Mahama.
Wow.
Yes, trying to. It's like media may your father for all, and yes, she yes they are in court. When these people have perpetrated crime against humanity,
but also over 200 past officials of the MPP, Yoko and other security agencies are. Yes,
and Shares and abide that da Mummy Pardon. Send ye, the ex-wild John Mahama regime first term. Na appointees set up how many times Oko Yoko. How many times are Julius Numamuko Yoko? Now, one find the faults on them. I don't say Enqualada. She says, "Will be any act will be asking. Let's stop being this childish with us. That you might be and Kwala and Kwala Kitty on bet me at so say no. A call when they was here the fossil. Attorney General. A dear now no one casa personally. What filing or court I would not acquire a extradition. Shabby Bako.
What is a tradition process? No more.
Process my OSP BB and original source. So no one can send it their way. Sammy, everybody Ken Ofori Atta. When they mean Ken Ofori Atta chrono or my way. Why must it wait till now? Yan Kwala Bium, Obi and Yakwala or my way. Some person will catch it say, Yan politics, no more formal union government. MPP and this won't come with me who's a one. No more formal union government, no more Jaya how. Near who's a family boy a chrono, young country Bium. Yan near the Akusa Nasi to me, you die a dynamic. Yes, sorry, I am a test to be being more formal union government. You wish to accuse any one of. It's getting on our nerves. Time. This is not what they preached before they won power. This is not what they preached. And can make what John Mahama that. Sir, we are one. And you know, and yes, I nearly lost my life, my precious life. Said me birthday.
Oh wow.
A child birthday.
Good.
I would have lost my life and then sorry I'm not paying. Only you may be seeing it. Aduma Kuna Mecha will be or see the tears here in Pony. Yes. They come in, come in, mother yeding. My daughter, I'm a muadi. That is Aduma Kuna Mecha. And you are morning, sir. Mobile send your master see the back of phone, and you are not in your two Abamamo. You need some dada. But to put the icing on the cake and beautify the cake, to embellish it, to make it look beautiful in the eyes of the beholder, and only some of the thing for the good.
Who say a mere trim, a buyer who do a trim, now Crawford, we have a scar, and Cosino. This time under John Dramani Mahama, second term with the research, still no han Crawford, we are Yabubo Mudi, Attorney General, Apom Hontoma, Eddie Ababechere, NSA, Skase no Mafa, National Football Faster Company, Skase no Mafa, Ken Ofori Atta, contract, no deals, I hold Kwaku Annan, as can you a benny betting your by 2028 as Crawford in ye who is accountable to this very government.
Hey. Any day be able to MPP ni se wo sere no osere o twetwe o uni dienti a wo twetwe wo
na kenesa ka MPP ni now to my way knowing the crimes you have committed, which crimes are numerous crimes. Akufo Addo cannot account for 10% of the monies he accrued between the time 2017 and 2025 January. He cannot account for that. All these monies, they have privatized public funds. You know. You can mention anyone's name and I'll tell you their crime.
Wow.
Every one of them committed a crime. Every one of them. From the president to the last person, will be a criminal. Hey, yes. The obedience is here. The money just off head.
Gabby asare Tróuble.
The patrol PDS one a could be him to town. PDS one and a and I am my one on my penny now. Say, my penny, your mama. No two position. Say, or buy ya PDS from a bar because there was a voice recording a better public.
Discuss the commission.
Yeah, Akufo Addo, your friend is saying, Gabby asare Tróuble, and a Yesu Baba. Omudi, yan Japadia, ano.
To be a say,
is it not public? No, we are Gabby your program. Now NDC 40 years here. Endorsing his personality. Yes. Now so much more African then dialogue. Omu na kobi. It one from no. Ya would say assume you new ko and ensign ebre. Ensign ebre.
Sesi a yewura mu preko brain nti Ken Ofori Atta ye releasing on bill. Omo try
kan de manu si ba ko a
first mama na yanko.
For my penny.
Yes.
Mesro. Nyame ya duma. Waba na. Waba won.
Wow.
Okay. According to you on Tiso.
Okay.
Yes, he should sit on his desk. Now on scanning mine for a while. Meaning say he has capable hands, but a binum etrimu ye omo de. Appointees no a binum trimu ye omo de. A binum dey say John Mahama sorry ya ena obeye mampani. A binum dey say position na e dia ma omo no eye omo no e bona fight property. John Mahama, you have to sit up. Oh, he's one person. He's almost without blemish. But you see, the ultra send him in the church. You say, as Sammy be over, no nature. Delegation of powers.
Okay.
When you two me, will be a Kotina ministry. Nipana Juma was so yellow. A son say, you are pointing on larger than the son who had on Mahama fe. And as I said, we should be mad. He should conduct a reshuffle. A billion trillion there. It's long overdue. Sabi, ensure chat to moi a year. It's never say
good.
Say, I want to be Manusi.
Okay.
All is not well. Yeah, more wetty. Now, the immoral MPP need the boy chia na it say yet totokem because I say Kronfo the catch us say wo Kronfo and I say we be our no say be onim nyame no no frem wiaseni what I say MPP there they don't have any moral grounds to even ask John Mahama a question. Eti yeye sabi ye boama John Mahama be ye mampani no yeye yankasa ne wo se ye bi ku na aban no ya admonish na aban no se konye e wo se tetetere no na eye papa na ma Ghana ni no ho to no.
Okay.
Se ne wo sha ase a wo kɔ no ano na Ghana fo ye ho to ye no na o tete nkonfo no gum. That is the climax.
Okay.
And yes, sir, we are still laying down there at anti-climax.
Very well. Now the Ken Ofori Atta asem na so.
Ken Ofori Atta there. Odiboyeni your friend is saying Zacchaeus Tujini obiara ni ne bone. Zacchaeus say ase se ojeje to o ma we mu o wie sika no. First bone a wo ye Franklin Templeton. It is enka buy way ya buy or pese o magana fo who say me focus da e wo senka by now kran ka investigation ya ready ya yes Franklin template in bond or koye no sika say na ye hwe as o my because we made arguments that made a lot of sense when John Mahama was in opposition.
Okay.
Yes, Obia criticized Franklin template in bond or koye, and because Naminia the cousin Eyeman Penintino, he was still emboldened even when he was committing crimes. Then one for the tabank anye. Then one for Gabby darko law firm anye ewo man wemu. Then Akufo Asante Bediatuo anye abusua no Osafo Marfo anye ayonko then o man fa anye o manfo. Mokoti obi te se Professor Ameyaw Anas. Musu wedi sika. Abia sky train with this carabua.
Yeah.
Ne akokra. O kobe say 80 something. Ne acheno. Na emnanti omudi sika ne de omuda so nam ho. Eti mo ye den mo ye yi mu ana mo ye den. We get wiser by the day because of this phone. Full way money pari and feed and no blame.
Akobane say the former finance minister
Ken Ofori Atta ne bone no. You see ye enumerate ne se se ya me no ti he ya. E buru o twi hu. Because sika bia no na wia. No makocha di. Sika bia to the extent that PDS here no ono na hear the final or do put the final nail in the coffin. He did that. And he certainly general ejai na nyuma ni bi wo ho. No start say oni OSP no mo twiman so a. I don't get it. I can't get it. I don't mean what expression I should give because it's appearing say we would rather want to fight amongst ourselves than to fight the opponent, the enemy of the state. It doesn't make sense. It does not make sense. But what attorney general did the other two also Akufo issue to say OSP need right so but you see these people we must get them cautioned. They are not lost unto themselves. No ye Akufo Addo appoint team kwampo no o making sure say obema your friend is OSP authority and the laws are there. Yeah, me but you don't have to go to law school to understand the law because me say the only thing I should be minded of or about say ignorance of the law is no excuse. So you don't have to be a lawyer to say man call law school to not mean say a crime. It is still a crime when you don't even know. So I read and I understand. It is attorney general to make a court say, "When you quack on here, Gentia, your friend is saying, OSP. Now it is a way that can for your task and not to her. I would take a nominee where you look for 42 and confront at Bombshell America for their DNA above their deal or my room. You know, you go down who brought the aqua. No, beat me when we are more about who you know the bag on the heart. Now, what you are quoting Satawale, no, what you are quoting. How does that make sense? Will be a way of Mexica and it's Satawale, what you are calling your Bonica, and I say, will be a call your Bonica, the Tuamano, and I say, I would take out in a baby. How does that make sense?
And to the AG filing to the Supreme Court, I say OSP power to prosecute without Attorney General's authorization unconstitutional.
It is not. Read. But you see, school no what we were taught from the very scratch, and they say it's not just about the reading, but the understanding. Bible swaka or say getting wisdom is important, but in order get the understanding. Now we are attorney general. Now we see what they call to say. I say we're here. I say we're here. Give them authority. You have to just give them the authority. That is all that you have to do, and you are instructed by the Constitution to give them the authority.
Yandi report you feel with some. Minima dia one ayi your friends say ki say Gabby omo wo. Say dia na omo yo. Say bibi na asio. Any o man pani sit up na make no. E no ka ho. It's not about Akufo. So you can sit them down and tell them that, hey man, I want this direction, and if you don't turn this direction, I will sack both of you. That is my penny. And you can sit them down and tell them, say, hey, but who said you have conflicted amongst yourself from time immemorial to date? Obia ya die, OSP ya die. Ultimately, extradition way aba ama when you be a wey call extradition, you still have a problem with him. Who would you file away? Omo ya me yebu afu e wo me bi hu enye amwayen come on say article 80 me sorry kakra many hami article 88
okay
4 88.4
of the constitution also the
88.4 all offenses prosecuted in the name of the Republic of Ghana shall at the suit of Attorney General or any other person authorized by him in accordance with the law. Then as unique right here.
Okay.
Then as we need me banana bako. What you say? When you kwagina ni ebua. You kwagina. Sir, lawyer near doctor where are you wabe too much. He should let pettiness out of his life. He is too brilliant. This is unambiguous. You don't have to seek any redress from any court to understand this. 88.4. You don't need anything to understand this. He has a problem in his office, and it is Sir Obama or Tiwana or director of state prosecution. You know, or no, I have a problem. Me so I know my background for him to Udopa, Fasa de Bunshunka, and I know that could not be bam.
Sir Obama, I know I have a problem. I
know they here a full time to explain.
Okay.
The problem, I don't know, MPP need bar. Bibi akoso office obi a obogu. That is Ayeni's problem. It's not about his lack of knowledge. He is too brilliant. To be a doctor of law, you think it's easy? So what PhD in law? His problem, and I'm catch him no. O kabu ne phone so keke na suma o ntie me ka amobi ahu na da ko mo de me bro amane. Because office hono MPP for any dia ni o ma to so nyina said they packed the office of the Attorney General and Minister Ministry of Justice to the extent say o ma hu say koto
na branity ya dey anu si no kan na no ata ko ba ne say permanent residents are working in US e ko be mi no wa magana isu so
the cancer is subia the backstops with the Attorney General and the President.
Okay,
yes. Se Ken Ofori Atta o pese o bagana ha e kwa na omunam so no eye mesre what me dia butre ke kwa America what me the main of ase coffee boat kwa America na ka exchange ya robbery exchange fa kakra be kitwa be kese aye bone
David
fa Ken Ofori Atta etikuru fa ne bra na no so ma boat e won so mu ni na mo bo na enya pede na so so we pede ni kwa de ehu eti Donald Trump na o mu ni ko di America court no Ken Ofori Atta wo so China na they have so many things to argue out to make sure say it comes our favor. They should stop the conflict. The bia and say and we are me say and we are me say the bia no emwayen eti me de me ntu o mampani fu biem na me de manuasia o mampani akonto we ye twa so
em say yes o kra ni ho a na nkra di ahusie me say hwe let me not sound as though we are yemi onye adwuma hard working man. I think say the job is bigger than him.
Samum.
Looking at the number of crimes the MPP committed in 8 years.
Ya bro no so.
Ono nkwa wontimi.
Me da ase na.
One same side. It is how nipa for na aka no. Yeah, e was on mampani appointment.
Yes.
Opa atari dem na okra omo tu nka ho. Deputies.
Okay. Mate.
Now, deputies no so odo omo kwa opo omo tiri mo de papa. Che owuo
no fan kwata eti
no fan kwa kan ye ne ho aye ne di ndi aboa no omo so bi adwen bone no omo di shirt ye fa we fa ha
okay
eno ebama Ghana for enya hotoso se NDC na eye ni da so no wo mu ba ye no wo ma ba ya de ama se bi Ghana for yakoma ye den
atoye very well. Listo Nana Kusipoku, executive director of my Good Governance Advocacy Group Ghana.
Thanks for watching. Like and share the video. You can also drop your comment. Please don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell to turn on the notification.